What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now, like I said in our TikTok this last weekend, no show, no problem. We went ahead and did a garage sale this last weekend. We sold a ton of our camping stuff that we're trying to get rid of. Overall, it was an amazing weekend. And next weekend, we are going to be in San Bernardino, California. We are so excited to be back home again for another, what is that, 3 straight weekends now. So no long distance traveling. That's always the best. Now, if you guys haven't done so yet, head over to our Instagram, Archangel Tac 1, or our TikTok at Archangel Tactical, our YouTube as well as Archangel Tactical. Go ahead and leave us a like, a follow, a subscribe, and make sure to tell all your friends and all your family. Spread the word out there. Join the Archangel community. Now, I'm about to tear apart all these bins that we took to that garage sale, tear them all down, put everything back out, inventory everything, and then repack for San Bernardino this weekend. Do a time lapse, show you guys the whole thing. We'll see you guys soon.
On the roof, her beauty in the moonlight overthrew you. She tied you to the kitchen chair. She broke your throne and she cut your hair. And from your lips she drew the Hallelujah, hallelujah.
Oh, baby, I've been here before. I've seen this room and I've walked this floor.
All right, you guys, we are all signed in, checked in. It's about 85 out here. It's not too bad. So about to go get set up, do a time lapse. Let's get it.
On a victory march, it's a cold and it's a broken hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
All right, guys, it is day 1 out here in San Bernardino. Looking like a pretty great day so far. Pretty good line outside. We're hoping it's gonna be a lot better than the last San Bernardino. We got our brand new cash register stand with an actual drawer for the cash drawer now. But besides that, booth looks good. Crowd looks good. We'll see how it goes. So, yeah. All right, guys. Well, day 1 definitely isn't going as planned. It is a lot slower than the last San Bernardino show, and that one was pretty slow to say the least. So we're just gonna pick up in the next couple hours we got left here for day 1, and then hopefully tomorrow's a packed day 2, but we are gonna find out. So we'll see you. See you guys in a little bit. Good morning, y'all.
Good morning.
It's another beautiful day here in San Bernardino. That's where we are.
Yep.
Yesterday, decent finish at the end. Didn't really hit goals, but it's another day. We're gonna see how today goes. And
It's okay. It's because I'm here today. We're gonna do way better.
And that is it from the Ashley. All right, guys, day 2, almost in the books. We got like an hour left before we start wrapping up here. But it's been going pretty good. Pretty steady flow all day. A lot better than the last Sunday we were here. So, and this is what I've been dealing with. So, wish me luck, y'all. Well, day 2 is officially in the books, as Ashley hides behind me, apparently. Day 2 is pretty good, I'd have to say. We definitely did better than day 1, which is, well, like the first time in 2 months we've done that on a Sunday where we've done better than the Saturday, so.
I told you to do better if I was here.
Yeah, I know, whatever. We did sell 12 Triple T bundles today,
Aha!
which is someone's department back there. We did sell 2 of our MFACs finally this weekend, which was a huge boost for us, but we did only sell a couple IFACs, which I think is the lowest amount ever of IFACs sold on a weekend. So we're gonna head home now. We're gonna have our monthly Archangel meeting with all of our guys and gals, and have some nice dinner and celebrate a good October and looking at everything going in November. So we'll see you guys when we get ready for it to go to Mesa.
Yeah.